was some fancy driving.
Good save, Jim. Good save.
I knew that tree was there.
Uh-oh, you're going the wrong way. We've decided we have enough meat today that we're actually going to have a second barbecue. It's going to happen right here? Yeah, it is. There it is. You called it. It's a beautiful sunny day compared to last time you saw me over doing some island wheeling with the Island Boys. That was a foggy, rainy day. But today we're back to the usual behind Jim's house. Doing a bit of the usual barbecue wheeling, rock crawling. Kevin's gonna stomp on the pass. Sticky tires, even no stickies coming through. Those leaf springs go clack, 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 clack. Oh yeah, and look at Sean did a new exhaust mod. Easy there, airtime. You got Toyota diffs in that thing.
I know, that's all I'm thinking about.
That's all you're thinking about as he doesn't lift off the gas. That's a leaf spring. I told you were gonna do something like that, and you did something like that.
Front leaf broke?
2 of his leaves broke, actually. So that's a meatball right there. Looks like Sean, who didn't fix his spring clamp at the back there, let his pack unload too much, and snapped 2 of his leaves. Close.
Good recovery.
Close counts.
Alright, I think I'm good with that try.
Oh, just one more try. So Sean broke his rig already. So here he is doing some yard work. Sean, you want to come to my house, clean some rocks off?
I'm part Mexican.
Good old ice back here. It's way easier if you just use your rig if you don't break it. Out of gear or something. You had it.
Stop.
And then you stopped. There you go. Got it that time. Nice climb. Alright, he's gonna walk up the hard line, 3-wheel driving it, idling up it. Boo. Oh, right over the stump.
Right over it.
I like a little more excitement in my stupid maneuvers. Do that kick out a little bit at the top. Uh-oh, you're going the wrong way. Well, he almost hopped into Danger Bay over there. That was really funny, but it wasn't really all that productive. Round 2. I'm gonna start calling you 3-wheel drively. Well, Jim's trying to do the thing on the hard line. Oh, yes! Wow. Well done, boys. Kevin going for the pass. In the middle of Jim doing crazy things. Your front tire's flat. That's your problem.
Yeah.
Passenger front. What'd you do? Just laying here underneath Riley's rig and noticing the huge dent in his oil filter. That's scary. Don't look under here. I also noticed that he's missing his cover plate on his flex plate. That's why you don't let your friends lay under your rig. She's coming back. She's gonna be trail pressure in 2 minutes. See three-wheel drive lead, do the same thing. What are you doing? Why did you do that? That's not a sign of just got hot though. That's a sign of just got real hot. Turn your fan back on, can you, without it running?
Oh, the fan's not running.
That'd be why. So your fan died and that's why you're overheating. Is that a Kevin wiring job? Kevin's walking over here like he's feeling responsible.
I did make his wiring harness.
Oh, I really like your steering linkage. Oh, there she goes. Your rad works a lot better if the fan's on. Ask me how I know. Exactly. Oh, well. Sweet. We're gonna set up the barbecue on the hill and have lunch with a view. Nice. We've decided we have enough meat today that we're actually gonna have a second barbecue. What a terrible problem to have. We're way too enthusiastic about meat on the trail these days. Nice. Who brought the grilled cheese? Well played. Nice, Jan. When you have a liquid lunch, the afternoon gets a lot more exciting. So we're following Jim. You know he's right at the right point of his afternoon, that everything feels great. Oh, and then he gets us stuck in the pond. I bet he's having a lot of fun down there. Second gear all the way. Especially after Jim just went and sauced it up for you. Nice. Well played.
Little hop Caesar.
I'm standing on this stupid log, so I'm not going anywhere. Hence why I was making the little girl sounds. That's the proper fancy driving right there. Oh, you should have ended up on your roof twice there. Close doesn't count.
What is it?
Wow, well done. That was fancy driving.
Good save, Jim. Good save.
I knew that tree was there.
Yeah, you're usually on this side.
Yeah, because it would if that tree wasn't there, you'd be on your roof in the swamp, and that would suck.
Yeah.
Keep coming.
I didn't roll over that.
You didn't roll over. That would have been a nasty roll. It would have been a smelly one.
It didn't count.
It didn't count. It doesn't count. Jim's just doing Jim things in the woods. It's gonna happen right here. Yeah, it is. There it is. You called it. There wasn't even a question of whether he was going over or not.
We need to win Jim over.
We got a lot of chance to do bolt checks on the Jimmobile.
Somebody else can roll over sometime.
Well, I knew you were going to. You've already done this before.
Well, we had so many sausages today. We're on round 2 of the sausages.
And I come outside to take a piss
Yeah,
around
we haven't got very far.
in the afternoon. There's this fucking cop cars
But
sitting right on the
way
side
she
of my
goes.
house.
So as usual, climbs never look like much. This climb is as tall as me. Oh, it's not that deep. against your better judgment, here you are.
Yeah.
He did something. Look at how blue his motor is. For a man that hasn't been on his side in 20 minutes, that's awfully smoky. Here, just back up, try to get at a bit of an angle. That was not very nice, but it worked. Oh, Kevin's going for the steep line pass? Thought he was. Oh yeah, flex those broken leaf springs out. Good to see the drive shaft looking good though. Another good day on the trail. We're back at Jim's house. Didn't really have any breakage aside from Sean first thing this morning. So good day overall. Anyways, till next time, boys.